Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete story on TikTok. Open TikTok application on your device and then go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then basically open the story that you posted that you want to delete, and here at the bottom right corner of your screen you see 3 dots. That's what we need, and here find from this list you should find delete and confirm your decision by tapping delete. And now you see that my story is gone. That means that I have deleted it just. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.